How to make video quality auto on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make video quality auto on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings. Here you will find this one here, video quality. Click on it and then just click here, this one, auto, and after you click on it just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to change it to auto. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.